Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we will show you a very detailed step-by-step recipe to prepare a very popular sweet which is part of every Christmas platter. It can be a little time consuming to make, but the end result is truly worth it. Our recipe for today is the perfect melt in your mouth delicious milk cream. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Take 50 grams or slightly less than 1/3 cup of cashew nuts without its skin. 2 cups or 500 ml of full cream milk. 200 grams or slightly more than 3/4 cup of sugar. 3 tablespoons of pre-boiled milk. This will be used to make the cashew paste. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. 1 tablespoon of salted butter. Milk cream mold to shape the milk cream. Step 2. Preparing the cashew paste. Grind the cashew nuts in a dry grinder for 2 seconds at a time. Use the pulsing method to make a fine powder. Cashew nut powder is ready. Add 3 tablespoons of pre-boiled milk. Grind to a smooth paste. The cashew paste is ready. Step 3. Preparing the milk cream mixture. On medium-low heat, place a wide open, heavy bottom pan and add full cream milk. Stir frequently to prevent burning and sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. Once the milk reduces to half the quantity, add the sugar and reduce the heat to very low. Ensure the sugar is dissolved completely. When the sugar is dissolving, the milk may look a little watery, but later it will start to thicken. Once the mixture reduces further, add the cashew paste. Ensure the cashew paste is completely dissolved. Prevent anything from sticking to the sides of the pan. Add the vanilla essence once the mixture starts to thicken. Add the salted butter. If you are using unsalted butter, then add a pinch of salt. Check for sweetness and add sugar powder if required. Stir continuously to prevent burning and sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. The line test. To check if the mixture is ready, draw a clean line through the mixture with a spoon. If the line holds without the mixture immediately coming back together, it is ready. Stir continuously as the mixture is not ready yet.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Once the mixture thickens, it will start leaving the sides and will turn to a paste-like consistency. Repeat the line test once again. The line is now holding without coming back together, so you know our mixture is now ready. You can also do a plate test. Take a small portion of the mixture in a plate. If the dough can be rolled into a smooth ball, the mixture is ready. If it is sticky, cook for 1 or 2 minutes more and repeat the plate test. Lightly grease a surface with butter and then transfer the mixture and let it cool. Step 4. Preparing the milk cream. When the mixture is cool, lightly grease your palm with butter and knead the dough. At first, it will feel sticky, but after kneading for a while, it will turn into a soft, non-sticky, pliable dough. Continue kneading until it becomes a soft, pliable dough, which may take some time. Our dough is ready for milk cream. Keep it covered while filling the mold, or else it will dry out. Lightly grease the milk cream mold with butter. Take a small portion of the dough, roll it into a smooth marble-sized ball on the palm of your hand. Put the ball in the milk cream mold, press and spread the ball as per the shape. Remove any excess dough on the edges and level it to form a smooth surface. Continue doing this until all the shapes of the mold are filled.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Now all the shapes in the mold are filled and leveled. Lightly hit the back of the mold with a spatula or wooden spoon to unmold the milk cream. Once done, let it dry completely before storing them in an airtight container. Continue filling and unmolding until the entire dough is finished. Delicious, melt in your mouth milk cream is ready. Do let us know if you liked this video, and see you soon with another interesting Goan recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.